quick tutorial for Days by the Kinks. Lovely little song, quite nice to play. I've not gone as far as finger picking it, but I'm sure it'll sound quite sweet if you do. So here are the chords: A7, D, A7, D, and then you're going to flip between G, D, G, D, A7. So the way that'll run is A7 start, thank you for the to the D, days, back to the A7, then to the G, those endless to the D, days, G, G, D, A7, D. Thank you for the days, those endless days, the sacred days you gave me. I'm thinking of the day, etc. Then the only other part of the verse bridge is B flat, days I remember all my, to an F, to a C. Days I remember all my life, days when you can't see wrong from right. Then it goes from B flat to F, in the same way it was doing G to A. You took my life, but then I knew that very soon, instead of a C, you'd go to a C7. You'd leave me back to the F. It's alright, 'cause I'm not frightened of this world, believe me. Then to the refrain for the mid-eighth is an A7th. I wish today would be tomorrow, B minor. The night is long, it's an A7, just brings sorrow. So that's D minor, but because it's sorrow, let it wait. That's D minor, C, B flat, and you end on the A7. Well, I wish today could be tomorrow. The night is long, it just brings sorrow, let it wait. Thank you for the days, those endless days and sacred days you gave me. I'm thinking of the days